Okay, so this is EXiiTBMX. There's quite a lot of video here. Well, just comments and messages on what bike I've got, so may as well show you. Got a Fit Chase the Act frame in copper. Still got a stick up front, mate, it's peeling off. I've got a Federal Light sprocket in 23 too. Salt shit back wheel, I'm getting new ones for but same for the front. I've got Odyssey 41 thermal fork. I think the dirt, I'm not sure. Fit download drop stem. Fit sky high bars. Animal grips, not sure which. Federal pivotal seat and seat post. I've got some Odysseys, twisted pieces that glow in the dark, but bearings have gone in. Old teeth are like wearing down. My cassette's shit. Don't make a noise. Well, it does, but it's very loud. Well, it's not loud. And that's about it. So, thanks for watching.